Today's video is a little different than normal, and we're going to talk about all of these. My favorite part of the Daily Duo are mini kits, and I can't wait to show you some of my favorites. Hi guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a comparison of a bunch of different mini kits that I've gotten from different Etsy shops. I have prices written down, and I want to talk about how I use them, whether you can use them for multiple days, the whole 9 yards. And so I tried to round up as many as I can. I'm missing one, I know for sure, that I don't have one currently, but we'll talk through everything and let's jump in. So let's see, where should we start? So I think it's just gonna be good. I'm just gonna lay the land of where we are on the different Daily Duo mini kits I have. So this is a Chrissy design kit. Her kits are $4.25 for this sheet. This sheet's a little odd. I've talked about it before in my videos. It definitely can be used for, I think, up to 2 days, except you'd kind of have to make things work. It doesn't include the days or the dates on it, so you'd have to do something different or buy her sheet that has the date strip covers on it, so kind of your choice. Her kits are a little bit different, so it's not going to be as like plug and play as some of the others. So let me pull one out where I used it. So this is one of the mini kits from Chrissy Design. So it does have one calendar cover box, so I was able to use that. I did have to use a different date cover, like a date thing here, and I pulled this off of another sheet. But other than that, I was able to do everything, and I used this for just 1 day, but you could easily use this for 2 days if you wanted to by using each thick strip of washi. So if you wanted to do 1 day and then the other day, you could do it. So that's kit number 1. This kit is from Black Dog Sticker Co. And if I had to pick one where I think you could get the most bang for your buck, I think it would be this one, because you can totally use this for 2 days. The strips of washi don't even have a spot to put the dates. So it's not even like, let me show you. Like this one where it includes one for the weekday and one for the weekend. You could use this for 2 back-to-back weekdays. It has all the dates. It has a handful of script stickers down here. It has 2 checkbox areas, all the days, and only 1 notes and 1 like calendar cover, but that's okay. I think you could make it work without that. This is $4.75, so it's a little bit more expensive than the Chrissy Design one, but I think you could without a doubt use this for 2 days without an issue. So let me show you what 1 day in this looks like. So this is 1 day in the mini kit from Black Dog Sticker Co. And I have a coupon code for her shop, and I will include it right here. And it's also always in the description box. But I was able to easily use this for 1 day, and I could use it again for another day based on the stickers that I have left. Okay, so the next one's from another one of my favorite shops, and this is Simply Smith Designs. Her kit rings in at $3, which is one of the more inexpensive options out there. It can be used for 2 days, but really, unless like you could find a way to cover this up, it would be used best for, if you're gonna use it for 2 days, for like a weekday and then Saturday and Sunday. It includes 1 calendar cover box, 1 notes box, 1 check boxes, all the days of the week. And then she has an add-on to add on a script sticker pack, which I usually don't buy, but it's another option if you want more script stickers. So that's for $3, and actually sometimes she has sales on it, so you can usually get it for cheaper than that. Plus I have a discount code. I will include it here. Oops, I hit my light. And if you use my name in the notes section, you get my exclusive freebie. So this is the Simply Smith Stickers mini kit. Okay, and then if I had to give MVP to one that has the most script stickers in the universe, it's definitely this one. This one is from Luna Loves Stickers. I really think that this one can really only be used for 1 day. There's just not, I guess there's 2 very skinny strips of washi, so maybe you could make it work and you could stretch it for 2 days, but really it's mainly used for 1. It has all the script stickers you could ever need: morning, afternoon, evening, meetings, laundry, AM routine, PM routine, work, breakfast, lunch, dinner. meds, the whole thing. Instagram post, it's unbelievable. So many options in this. And I'm such a fan. This one comes in at $4, and she sends along another sheet that has like all the days of the week and the dates. So you have that as well. Hers is on a like premium matte paper, so it's a little bit smooth. And let me show you one layout with this. I didn't do that for Simply Smith, so let me go back and show you that too. So this is the Simply Smith stickers mini kit that we were actually just looking at. So lots of things there. And then let me find the Luna Love sticker one. Here's one. So every single script sticker that's on here came off of her kit, which is unbelievable that it would have that many script stickers in it. Okay, so I don't have one of these in my planner currently, but I'm actually planning to use it, and I'm gonna post it tomorrow on or I guess today when you're watching it on Instagram. But this is a Wonder Sticker Co. kit. She does her mini kits only on $2 Tuesday, so you can only buy them then. And I think I heard in her YouTube video that she's planning on offering them that week, but at not at the $2 price. So these are $2, which actually is like the most inexpensive option. There are no like dates included here, but you can buy an add-on to get the days of the week. Oops, that's upside down. Days of the week and the numbers, whatever they're called. But this, I think, really is a one-day thing because there's only watching for one day. But this is only $2, and she does them all in different themes every single week. And you could pick up a whole week's worth or just one, whatever you were interested in. This is a kit I've never used before, but this is by ZoeK Creations, and it's a little bit more playful. So it has like the highlight of my day, world news, all sorts of stuff. It doesn't include many script stickers other than lunch break and super important. So it's definitely much more playful. This is for sure just for one day. There's only one strip of washi, and this clocks in at $3. So when I lay out the options, so we kind of have an order of price. The $2 Tuesday Wonder Sticker Co. for $2. Then we have two $3 options, which is the Simply Smith sticker and the ZoeK Creations. This $4 Luna Love stickers one. Then the Chrissy Ann design for $25, and then the Black Dog Sticker Co. for $75. When you're looking for bang for your buck, you have to figure out your planning style. So do you like to see two of the same spreads back to back, or do you like to see different things every day? If you like different things every day, this $2 Tuesday option or the Luna Love stickers or the Simply Smith stickers or the ZoeK Creations might be the best bet for you. If you like 2 days to be the same, like so when you open it to be the same, these might be better options for you. I really feel like this gives you the most variety in terms of script stickers, the ability to use it for 2 days. It really is made to be used for 2 days. So my view of that $4.75 prices is actually kind of half of that. So if there are other, there is one other mini kit. I just don't have it with me. And that's the K Stickers Co., which I will link in the cards. One of the videos that I've used her kits for. I also have a coupon code for hers. She uses a premium matte paper, kind of similar to this Luna Love stickers. Hers are really for one day, and then she has a script sticker add-on. I would say her kits are pretty similar to like this, and they're $3 a piece, and then you can add a script sticker add-on as well. So I will link that up in the cards. So I would love to know what mini kits you're drawn to, and if there's any other mini kits that you would like me to try, because I just love mini kits. I like in the Daily Duo using something different every week, or not every week, every day. And so mini kits are kind of my like bread and butter. So I'm always looking for new ones. But the ones that I tend to be drawn most to are the Simply Smith stickers, the Black Dog Sticker Co., and the Chrissy Ann designs. But I've definitely used almost all of these in my planner currently. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I hope that you subscribe. I have tons of planner content and more on the way. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.